Welcome back to the channel Kings and Queens. This is King Tech HD coming with you with another video. This is going to be the Benks Armor Pro case. This is DuPont Kevlar and this authentic Kevlar fibers. So this is going to be what they have in bulletproof vests. Firefighters use this. Fiber cables, race cars, aircraft, spacecrafts, and other fields use this fiber. So this is the real deal, holy field, they call it. If you want to get the airmed fiber case, you want to make sure that it's 600D, and we'll get to that, the difference between 600D and 1500D, and you want to make sure it's the real deal. So check and check. Now I have a 1500D aramid fiber case from another manufacturer. It did not work out. I returned it and got this. This is the 600D Kevlar. Now the 600D is slimmer and thinner fibers. It also has an anti-slip texture that is just natural built in compared to the 1500. It also has a higher profile look to it. So the feel is there. It has screen, or not screen, but fingerprint resistance. And also, since it takes more performance and more time to create, it is also a more physically looking and appealing case because you have that time and that quality control behind it. So it's definitely my go-to. It's in the top 3 cases. I don't want to say my top 3 yet because that's going to be another video, but it's going to be in my top 3 when it comes to cases. I took it off a few times in the last week while I'm reviewing and testing, and I still come back to it because it's just a nice case. You could just set it and forget it. Has the TPU on the sides of it with the nice metal buttons. You do have your action buttons since this is a 15 Pro. The buttons are floating tactile buttons. They're great. You do have that elevated bezel for the camera. So if you put it down, it's going to be more on the case and more on the bezel than it is going to be on your camera module. Same as the front. When it comes to the lips, you have a great fit all around. This ain't going nowhere. I'm pulling on it. And if you put it face down, it's going to be on the case, then on your screen. So great fit all around. Great case. The durability is there as well too. This does have over military grade protection because it's graded at 5 feet of drop protection. So that drop protection is there. It does have some kind of air cushion technology built in as well. You get some grooves on the insides that you can see that kind of shock absorbs that protection if you drop it. So it's a great case on this National Titanium 15 Pro. You have the fingerprint resistance. You have that military grade drop protection of 5 feet. You have the great bezels and the great lips. You have the anti-slip texture since it's that 600D and not that 1500D aramid fiber, or should I say Kevlar fiber. And that's good. That's it. The precise cutouts. It's a overall great durable case for you to pick up. I believe these go for about $39.99. You may find it 5% off, 10% off, depending where you look. So check Amazon, check their website. Definitely, if you're having a 15 Pro series device, I would say this is one that you definitely have to check out because it's been a joy to use in the last week. So I'm going to review some more cases. Thank you for your time. Peace.